morning to one and all. Myself Suhani Gyan Prakash Saroj from Standard 9B, and today I am going to speak some few lines on National Science Day. National Science Day is celebrated on February 28 every year across India. But do you really know why do we celebrate this day? The National Day commemorates the invention of the Raman effect by the great Indian physicist Sir Chandrasekhar Venkata Raman. Sir Raman on this same date had invented the Raman effect in the year 1928. For his contribution in the field of science, Sir Raman was awarded with the Nobel Prize in the Physics in the year 1930. By celebrating this day as National Science Day, we show our dignity and respect to the famous Indian physicist for his contribution in the field of science. Thank you.
Good morning teachers, my name is Anushka Mandal and today I will demonstrate you what is density. For this experiment, I need 2 glasses, common salt and 2 lemons of same size. For this both glass, I will put common water Now I am taking this lemon and putting it in the glass. So now you can see that the lemon is sinking. For this glass of water, I will put common salt and mix it nicely so that the salt dissolves completely. Taking this lemon and putting it in the glass, and now you can see that the lemon is floating because this salty water makes higher density and the lemon makes lesser density. In the another glass, the lemon makes higher density than the density of water. That's why it is sinking. Thank you.
A very good morning to respected teachers, madam and all my dear friends. My name is Preeti Chauhan from Standard 7B. As you know, today we are here to celebrate National Science Day. So on occasion of National Science Day, I would like to present an experiment, and my experiment topic is air exerts pressure. So let us start. So for doing this experiment, we would be needed a glass filled with water up to the brim and a stiff piece of cardboard. So now we will take the glass in which we have filled the water and we will place the cardboard at the top of the glass. Now we have to keep our hand on the cardboard. Now we will turn it downside from the upside. Now we have to keep it like this only for some seconds. Now we will slowly remove our hand from the cardboard. Now as you can see, the water is not flowing out because the air is exerting pressure from the down on the cardboard and it is keeping it on its place only. The upward pressure from the air is more than the downward pressure exerted by water. Therefore, the water is not flowing out and hence we can say air exerts pressure. Thank you.
My project is based on natural indicator. I use beetroot for making my natural indicator, and this substance I will check which is an acid and which is an base. It's a toilet cleaner, sanitizer, washing soap, salt and sugar syrup. I will add few spoon beetroot juice in it. It changes the color and turn red. Now the dough of sanitizer. It also become red. That it shows red means acid. But the dishwash did not change her color. It only have been yellow. That's mean it is in base. Salt also did not change her color and become only yellow. It's also an base. The sugar syrup changed her color and turned red. It's an acid. Thank you.
Good morning, teachers and madam, and all my dear friends. Today I am going to do the explanation of magnetic power. First, I will fill some water in the bowl and put some crush of magnet and also put some one needle. Then you can see whenever whenever I was moving the magnet, needle also moving, so it can show that the magnetic power is also active on water. Thank you.
Good morning to one and all presented over here, respected madam, teachers, and all my dear friends. Today I will give a small speech on National Science Day. National Science Day is celebrated every year on 28th February in order to commemorate the discovery of Raman effect in India by Indian physicist Sir C.V. Raman. It is one of the important science festival in India which is celebrated by the students of the colleges and school by demonstrating various science projects in the state as well as national level science exhibition. The Ministry of Science and Technology gives a special message on the occasion of National Science Day celebration to the students, scientists, researchers, and public of nation. Thank you.
A very cool good morning to one and all, respected teachers, madam, and all my dear friends. Myself, Suhani Gyan Prakash Saroj from Standard 9B, and today I am going to do a small activity on reaction between acid and base. Required materials are baking soda, 1 spoon, 1 plastic bottle, 1 balloon, and minimum lime water. So let's start it. First I have to take 1 balloon and add some baking soda into it. Now I have to tie this balloon on the upside of the bottle. Now you can see the balloon blows up. What is the reason behind this? I'll explain you. The balloon blows because adding the lemon juice as acid to the baking soda as base, it creates a chemical reaction. When these two combine, they create the gas carbon dioxide. This gas rises up and blows the balloon. And this is my small experiment on reaction between acid and base. Thank you.
Good morning one and all. Myself Akansha Santosh Singh from Standard 8A. My roll number is 14. Today I am explaining a science experiment. I have 4 ingredients: detergent, turmeric, water and lemon. Now I am putting some water. Now I am putting a teaspoon of turmeric. Now look, its color is yellow. Now I am putting a teaspoon of detergent. Now look, its color is red. Now I am putting a lemon juice. Now look, its color is yellow because of turmeric is nature base and detergent is acidic in nature and lemon is acid. Turmeric and detergent mix, nature base and acid contour.
Morning, respected teachers and all my dear friends.
I am Sujal Ganesh Darekar and I have made a project of solar power irrigation system. We all know that what is solar energy, and we also see many of the examples of solar energy in our day-to-day life such as street lights, etc. This is a solar panel and this is a controller. It controls the energy limit of solar power and our water pump. This is a water pump. It sucks the underground water and throws it to the water tank. And this water from water tank we use in our day-to-day life for drinking, washing clothes, etc. We can also use this water for plants and farms. There are many things which can be used from solar power such as solar lamp, solar heater, solar cooker, etc. Thank you.
A very cool good morning to one and all present over here, respected madams, teachers and all my dear friends. As we all know, today we have gathered here for Science Fair 2020-21. So I have also taken participate in it and my topic is flow of electricity through graphite. So for this experiment I have taken following apparatus: a LED light, insulated copper wire, a pencil, 9-watt battery, insulating tape, etc. First, we have to take a 9-watt battery and attach 2 insulated copper wire with it. Then, one wire of 9-watt battery should be connected with one terminal of a sharpened pencil, and the next wire should be connected with the LED torch. The second wire of LED torch should be connected with the second terminal of the pencil, as shown here. Now complete the circuit by attaching the wire with the battery. As we all know, lead inside the pencil is made up of graphite. Based on the above experiment, we would tend to believe that graphite is a good conductor of electricity. Graphite is not the great conductor of electricity but allows electric current to flow. It is sometimes called semi-metal because it has property of conducting like other metals. The resistance of graphite is about 1000 times greater than resistance of other common metals such as aluminium and copper. However, poor conductivity of graphite is it a long way from taking an insulator. Hence, this experiment will conclude that graphite conducts electricity billions of times more or better than most common insulators like rubber and plastic. Therefore, it is not a great conductor of electricity but good conductor of electricity. Thank you.
Good morning, teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Simran Gusai and I am from 6th B. Today at celebration of National Science Day, I have made a small project on work and force. This is a well or a pulley. It is work to bring water outside the well. We are applying force to one side of a rope, then the bucket full of water coming out. Can you tell which force is used in this process? Yes, muscular force. Thank you.
Good morning, teachers and my dear friends. Today I am going to do one experiment, the density of water and oil. For this we want water, oil and the food color. First we take a water and take food color into it. I am taking red color. You take any color, any food color into it. I am adding because it's look beautiful. Then mix it. And then take a oil into it. See what it's happened. The oil is floating on the water because the oil has lower density than the water because it is floating. Thank you so much. Morning teachers, madam and all my dear friends. Today I am going to show you one experiment. Let's do it. First take a glass and a water. Put water on a glass. Now put turmeric. Now mix it. You can see the color is yellow. Now put some detergent. Now mix it. Wow! See, the color is red. Now put lemon. And mix it. Put lemon. Now color is orange. Thank you.
Good morning teachers and all my dear friends. Myself Kashisha. Today I am going to present a experiment. So first we have to take a bowl and we have to pour the water in it. Then we have to take a black paper as a dust. We put Then we have to rub a sanitizer in our finger. Then I will put my finger in the dust water. You can see the dust was of bread. So we will come from outside. We have to wash the hand with the sanitizer or a hand wash. Thank you.
Morning, madam, teachers, and all my dear friends. Today I am going to explain you this activity. First, take one glass. Put the turmeric powder. Then put a water. Mix it. See, the color is yellow. Then put the detergent. See, the color is red. Color is changing. Then put the lemon juice. See, the color is yellow. The turmeric powder is changing the color. Thank you.
My name is Anushka Mandal from class 7th A. I have received a golden opportunity to propose vote of thanks at this end of this day. I honorably thank our founder, president and madam and respected teachers and students for attending this online Science Day celebration. Thank you.